Hey, what's up everybody? Chris here with another Proto Tech Tip, and today we're going to jump back into Protocase Designer and stay on the topic of importing components. So I'm going to walk you through how to simplify a component for importing into Protocase Designer. Let's get into it. So if you haven't heard of it, Protocase Designer is our easy-to-use design software. It's backed with numerous features to make your design process a breeze. With Protocase Designer, you get access to 80+ base templates that you can start customizing with live manufacturability design checks and instant quoting and ordering. Now, over the past couple of months, we've walked you through how to import components inside Protocase Designer and how to use the projection feature to create the cutouts. So if you missed those tutorials, no problem, we'll drop a link in the description so you can check them out. So for today's video, I'm going to dive a little deeper into importing components and show you how to simplify the components specifically for the circuit boards before you import them into Protocase Designer. So the key thing to remember here is that the component board should be simple in terms of its geometry. It's not necessary to include every tiny detail or pin. Just include the details like mounting points and any ports that need cutouts and the basic dimensions of the component model, like height, length, and width, along with other key details. So check out these two examples. In the first one, the component board being imported has a simple design and is very basic in its geometry. You can easily see the overall shapes and the layout, but it doesn't get too detailed. As a result, it's quick to load and easy to work with. But on the other hand, in this second example, every detail is added to the component model, and as you can see, it takes forever to load. In fact, just take a look at the file size. It speaks for itself. The first file is only 63 kilobytes, while the second one is over 30 megabytes. It's also important to make sure that your self-clinching fasteners, commonly referred to as PEMs, have the right height and have the right screw size to ensure the component fits perfectly inside the enclosure. So to wrap things up, when you're importing components into your design in Protocase Designer, just keep the component board simple, including only the essential details. So that's it for this week's Proto Tech Tip. I hope this short tutorial helps you out with your design process inside Protocase Designer. And if you've been scratching your head wondering why sometimes your component imports can take a while, now you have a solution and a fix. So if this does help you with your next design, please give this video a like and share it with others who might find it useful. So that's it for this week's Proto Tech Tip. See you next time.